Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make pot roast with potatoes, which are in there, and carrots. Okay, so it's not that hard. All you really need is, this is an almost 3-pound chuck roast. I have 8 potatoes in here, which I have washed, and I'm not going to peel them because they're just the red potatoes. If they weren't the red potatoes, I would peel them. But I'm just going to chop these into smaller pieces. You need about half of a medium onion and a bag of baby carrots. I might not use this entire bag. I might not. And then you'll need 1 pack of onion soup mix. I like the Lipton because that's just what my grandma uses, so yeah. After I've washed them, I'm just going to cut them up. So I'm going to cut them in half, and I'll probably cut, yeah. I like to try and coat the meat with the onion soup mix. That way it gives it some kind of flavor and it's not just plain. Okay. And you will need to add water to this, enough to cover the vegetables in the bottom of it, so. Whoa, dang it. Leave it to me to make a mess. Okay. So there's enough water in there to cover the vegetables, and okay, so everything's in there. You're just going to put the lid on it. I'm putting it on high. Whoa. for about, let's see, it's noon now, and it'll cook till about 6, so 6 hours on high. And this is my crock pot, and yes, it's a 6 quart, and it feeds about 7 people, so yeah.